to the Ayukis.
To Karren Adekora's channel. Okay, so I'm Karren. My name is Karren with 2 R's, and this is my boyfriend Lucas. Lovejoy. So we filmed a video of us making dinner. Actually, he teaching me how to make like some pasta or something, and then I said
it was delicious.
It was. I'll link the video up here if you guys want to go watch it. And I said after 1,000 likes and 200 comments, we will do a jollof video where I'm teaching him how to make jollof.
Yep. And
we got to 1,000 likes. So we didn't get to 200 comments, but that's okay. I forgive you guys. I will do it anyway.
How many?
Alright, so we're gonna cook jollof. If you don't know what jollof is, it is a West African rice dish.
It's delicious.
And it's very good. And I personally think I make the best jollof. So
my family would not disagree.
Right. Let's start. We will show you first our ingredients. Onion, garlic, tomatoes. No. Garlic, ginger, onion, tomatoes.
It's a natural.
Tomato sauce, tomato paste, rice, stewed beef, some seasoning, sardines. But here is the kicker. Come in.
The caveat.
Here's the caveat.
Accommodeme.
I'm only going to be speaking Chi with him. And Chi is like one of the popular languages of Ghana where we make the best jollof. Sorry, not sorry.
It is the best. I've had both.
Yes, and Ghana jollof.
Okay, but I haven't had Senegalese though. That's
okay,
they say jollof came from there.
But we don't talk about Senegalese jollof.
Yeah.
They're out of the competition.
Too small of a country.
So I'm going to be
though.
instructing him in Chi how to make jollof. I don't even know what to say. Are you ready?
Ane.
He already knows a lot of cheese, so this will be easy for him.
Not true.
Dabi.
Dabi.
Okay. Inti etiseng.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Ane.
Good job. All right, this is gonna be super hard, by the way. You need blender, right? You need blender and see a bit chucha, garlic, ne ginger no, ne akikejuro no.
I like how that sounds.
Akikejuro.
Akikejuro.
That's ginger.
Oh, I thought it was what's yellow?
Akoko sradi. Okay.
Akoko sradi.
Chicha. Akikejuro no. Chicha ni kite.
Okay.
All right. Mama yi me rings no. Okay, dabi. Ansana ye be start no. Ye de enam no besi jane so.
Oh, word?
Yeah.
Alright, sure.
No.
What?
No, I didn't say rice.
You said the meat.
Yeah.
I know, I was just moving the rice out of the
Oh, good job.
That's not true.
Boil it.
I was not moving the rice out of the You said I was being serious. Yeah. Oh no.
You see.
You got nice meat too. Like, look at the marbling. Nah, like this is actually has the potential to be the best jollof ever. Look at this marbling, bro. This is not even playing around. This is like steak. What?
Okay.
Alright. So the ginger should be like diced, cut really small.
Oh, should we use the whole thing? Are we making a lot for dinner party?
Yeah.
So I should use the whole thing, basically.
Yeah.
Fegum.
Ane.
This is the broth. The meat is cooked. We're gonna fry it. So now we're going to fry the meat because it's gonna be in the jollof, if you get what I'm saying. This is the broth. We're gonna set that aside. How would you say I'm pouring it in?
Me pato oya.
No. Me shriegum.
I got me, right? Me shriegum. Actually, let me see.
na which try no.
Alright.
Fegu and guanim.
Onions in the pan. Roger?
How did you know that?
I was just thinking what would be next.
The next order of business.
Yeah.
Good job.
Thanks, baby.
Wait, bring ya. Now you're dead. In post, didn't you?
Wait until it gets golden and then put it in.
There's no blender. We don't have a blender, so normally I would blend a tomato, onion, ginger, garlic, and some pepper, but we don't have that, so we're going to improvise. Inti afe ya froya no.
That's good.
Timide seasoning ni gumwa. Nunu. Okay?
Ani?
Hacho be mami.
Nada.
Huh?
De nada.
If you want to say okay, say yo.
Yo.
Okay, nunu.
Alright.
Yeni magi anase adobo nibi. Inti.
But MSG is almost the same thing as Maggi.
Okay. I can't MSG.
Not too much.
What's so come on? Kase ya da.
Newa Maya. Pretty good. Oh. I think we should do 3 cups.
3 cups?
I think
Okay.
4 would be too much.
Do you remember the numbers?
No.
Bakum,
Baku. Baby.
mienu,
Mien.
miensa,
Miensa.
enai,
Enai.
enu.
Enu.
Okay, so how many cups of rice do we need?
Baku. Miena. Miensa.
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 Good job. Okay, the rice is in. How do you say that?
Emo anunum.
Alrighty, so I'm gonna be honest, guys. We're a little nervous about this jollof.
I'm not.
I am, but we're praying to God that it turns out good. Now we're gonna put the fried meat in it. If you're Ghanaian, you know sometimes jollof comes with like meat like mixed in. So we're gonna put that inside and yeah. Fegum.
Begum. Boom.
This is how the jollof is looking.
Yes. Yes, baby. Wish you guys could smell this. Give you some smell-o-vision.
So after 2 hours, our jollof is done. However, I'm gonna show you guys. This is not the best jollof I've ever
Hey,
made.
you gotta chill.
No,
It tastes so good.
No.
Guys, I'm telling you, this tastes fire.
He just doesn't know how it's supposed to taste. This jollof is not indicative of all Ghanaian jolloфs out there. I will take the bullet for my team this one time. Do not judge Ghanaian jollof based on this, okay? It is so mushy. We added too much stew and water, I think.
Yeah, I think it was the water.
Yeah. I added too much water. Rookie mistake. Now let's show them. Okay? Jollof rice reveal! Come in the frame with me, because you cooked it with me. Let's hold it together like our little baby. Okay, this is what it looks like, guys. Steaming hot. And we got some beef meat mixed with it. It looks good. It looks like nice reddish. It just is looking too Nigerian for me. That's what it is. That's why I'm like very like angry at this. But that's all right. This is our jollof review. Guys, I will redeem myself one of these days, okay? We shall redeem ourselves one of these days. Okay, it is all set. Now we are going to take it to dinner party. That is the end of our jollof video. Thank you for watching. How do you say thank you?
Mutien.
No.
I forgot.
Me.
Me.
No.
No.
Hey.
I'm sorry.
Thank you. Okay, the response is enasu. You say something and then I say enasu.
Mejor to say.
No.
Yeah, I'm not gonna remember. I forgot.
Medase.
Medase.
That's the easiest one.
I'm sorry, I forgot.
It's alright.
Medase. She still loves me.
I do. Good job. And good job on helping me make this jollof.
Good job on directing.
Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. I hope it was everything you ever wanted. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.